Would you believe this luxury skeleton watch costs less than $44? It honestly looks far more expensive than it is. If you're looking for a watch that combines premium style with everyday reliability, the OLEVS Skeleton Business Dress Watch is definitely worth checking out. The first thing you'll notice is the stunning gold-toned skeleton dial. Unlike ordinary watches, the openwork design gives it a luxury appearance that instantly stands out, making it perfect for business meetings, formal events, or everyday wear. Inside, you'll find an imported quartz movement that delivers reliable and accurate timekeeping. Combined with a long-lasting battery that can last around 2 to 3 years, this watch is built for dependable daily use. The gold-toned stainless steel bracelet adds to the premium look while offering durability for everyday wear. It's polished to a brilliant finish and features a hidden butterfly push-button clasp, giving you a secure fit with a clean, seamless appearance. The watch also features luminous hands, making it easier to read the time in darker environments after being exposed to light. Its scratch-resistant stainless steel construction helps maintain that luxury appearance, while the 30-meter water resistance protects against everyday splashes and rain. Just keep in mind it's not designed for swimming, hot showers, or diving. Whether you're upgrading your own collection or searching for a stylish gift for a father, husband, boyfriend, or friend, this OLEVS watch delivers an impressive luxury look without the luxury price. With an incredible 82% discount, bringing the price down to just $43.77, it's one of the best value skeleton watches available on Amazon today. If you want to see today's latest price and customer reviews, click the Amazon link in the description before this deal ends. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe for more Amazon watch deals every week, and check the Amazon link in the description for today's latest price before this discount is gone.